Hello, welcome back to IOQM Max. Today we are going to see one question from IOQM 2024. Okay, the question is given, let A equal to x by y plus y by z plus z by x, B is equal to x by z plus y by x plus z by y, C is equal to x by y plus y by z into y by z plus z over x into z over x plus z over y, then what is the value of mod a b minus c? So this is the question given in IOQM, and this is one important question in Olympiads. So welcome back to IOQM Max Olympiad. Okay, let's start the question here. So here let x by y is equal to p, y by z is equal to q, okay. Next z by x is equal to r. So if you multiply p into q into r, so here you will get x by y into y by z into z by x. So here the values will get cancelled. Here you will get 1. Now here A is equal to now P plus Q plus R. And if you take the second one, B is equal to 1 by P. This is 1 by P. This value is 1 by P. The second value here y by z means z by y. This is 1 by, okay, z by y means 1 by q, and the third one x by z or z by x, it will get 1 by r. Now if you take the LCM of this, so here you will get pq plus qr plus rp by pqr. So already here we know that pqr value is 1. So we can write it as pq plus qr plus rp. Now if you take the value of C, C is equal to P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P. So here this is a formula, very important formula. So here if you multiply this, okay, directly I am telling. So here what you will get here is here P plus Q plus R into PQ plus QR plus RP into minus PQR. So this one you solve it. So here you have to take the factors, then you will get this value. So here the value of C will be, so here this value is A, and this value is B, AB minus 1. PQR value is 1 now. AB minus 1. So here this AB, if you take C that side, AB minus C is equal to 1. That implies mod AB minus C value is 1. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you for watching IOQM Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching IOQM Max Olympiad.